What's happening, everyone? We're back today with another video. This was filmed on a different day. I just didn't intro it or outro it because it was on the verge of raining every 5 minutes. But in this video we're going to be literally just trying to sort the central locking issue out, because there's times where the passenger door says it's open. I cannot lock the car at all, and it's really frustrating due to a poor previous repair on a loom. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. There ain't much talking because I just wanted to get it done, and it was literally like a case of do a bit of work, sit in the car for about 5 minutes while it buckets down rain, and then do a bit of work again. So apologies for that, but I hope you guys enjoy.
Another money mind. Oh, you wanna rob me blind? Well, I don't know this time. Oh, don't want it just to lie. Don't wanna feed the fire. Tell me what to do. Been listening to my heart. It's leading me from the dark. Tell me what to choose. Don't wanna trust a liar. Don't wanna feed the fire. Tell me what to do. Listening to my heart. It's leading me from the dark. Tell me what to choose. Tell me what to choose. You try to keep us down, but we are backing out, because the time is now. Screaming till you're breathless, till all the voices drown. No, we ain't backing down. Oh, our time is now. Don't want it just a liar. Don't wanna feel the fire. Tell me what to do. Hey, hey. Listening to my heart. It's leading me from the dark. Tell me what to choose. Tell me what to choose.
Okay, so this wiring loom here runs all the way down through this channel here, clips onto here, here and here, plugs into your speaker, and they're literally just little push fit, like with a little tab. If I show you the plug, it's just literally like that sort of style. You just push it down. Same with this one, they're all pushed down, and then the door lock one has a little release that pushes forwards and backwards. My one's a bit stiff, but as you can see, it's had some funny repairs in its time. I've had to even come to this and someone's just messed with it, and it shorts and tries unlocking itself and all sorts, and says that the passenger door's open. So what you'll probably find is that this plug here will probably have some broken wires or some shorts in it somewhere. So this is why I'm replacing this today. The new loom that I got unfortunately has this plug broken, so I've now got to de-pin this plug and use the housing on my new one, which is, as you can see, already exposed with a load of lovely wires, so I've got to fumble that somehow. But as you can see, the wires look a lot better. And it's starting to piss down rain, so lovely. Okay, so once I've pinned this wire all back, I'll be showing you putting it back together. See? Did you hear it just try and lock itself? What? Okay, so that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We are doing a giveaway on 1,000 subscribers. On 1,000 subscribers, we're nearly there. We're at about 945 at the minute, so I appreciate all your support so far. But the giveaway is the chrome bonnet catch plate, because I accidentally ordered 2 for some reason. And we're going to be bringing out some stickers shortly for the channel, and I'll be giving them away for you guys to give some feedback, and not only that, sort of just have a sticker, I suppose. But yeah, that's all for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you later.